Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hey, this is Mario Burr here, and glad you're taking the time out to watch this video on the 10 content creation ideas on video marketing. So if you ever find yourselves running into a slump, don't worry, I got you. And this is gonna help you out anytime that you just kind of run into the fog or kind of find yourselves pretty much getting what is called writer's block. So I'm going to share with you these 10 content ideas, and go ahead and make sure that you do take notes. So first and foremost, I want to let you know I got this from a training that I was in by Mark Harbert. If you don't know him, he's a seven-figure earner, and he's always sharing, huge value of what he is doing in the marketplace to get massive results that he gets. I got it in the back office from a system that all top earners pretty much have started from, such as Ray Higdon's, Mark Harbert's, Lisa Torres, all of them. And plus all these guys are leveraging the system, and they're just killing it out there. And I leverage it too. And at the end of this video, what I'm going to do for you is there's an actual printout of all this. And so you're going to get a free PDF of the same information that I have access to. Okay. And you're going to also get access to the video training too. Okay. And I'm going to share with you at the end of this video exactly what I am doing that I found by doing this, getting big results. I've been, getting people have been watching my presentations. I've been generating leads and getting signed up. So I want to share that with you also. So guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this, because this is huge, and I'm just so excited, because it's just so amazing, being in a community, where top earners, like Mark Harbert himself, shares in the community. We use this system called MLSP. If you don't know about it, like I said, many of these top marketers have started from there, and many of them are still in it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to list 10 of them, and I have it right here on my laptop. So if you see me looking over there, that's what I'm doing. I'm just glancing. Okay, so you won't have any more excuses after this. So get a notebook or your iPad or whatever, and let's go ahead and take notes, or just go back over this stuff. So I don't want you to run out. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the very first thing that you can do a video about, and here's the thing, you can do it: videos, blog posts, whatever, any type of content. You never run out of ideas. So the very first thing, you could write reviews on physical products that you have purchased. Okay, whatever it is, you purchased a vacuum cleaner, hair clippers, whatever it is, you want to write a review on it. And let me share this with you with doing that. This is amazing. What I learned how to do inside MLSP is strategize, because if I do a review on a physical product, like I did on my car back in 2013, I did it on the Hyundai Azera. I purchased that car, and I did a review on it. I loved that car. I don't have it anymore. I traded it in. But I did a review on it, and I strategized, and I learned how to, transition into my offer after getting people, that was interested in the Hyundai Azera, and I transitioned into what it is that I had to offer, and I generated leads that way and got people into my business also. So you could do this on any physical product that you have purchased. Okay. The next thing, number 2, you can do a review on info products or courses that you have purchased. Okay. I yet have to do one on the last course that I purchased, which is the Attraction Marketing Summit, where there's over 40 something top earners, leaders in the industry, such as Ray Higdon, Lisa Torres, Mark Harbert, all these guys you hear of every single day that's been crushing it inside the system that I was just telling you about, MLSP. I'm gonna do a review on that, a video review on that. So be on the lookout for that. And man, geez, just with that information that I learned looking over those guys' shoulders, I have so much value to give from that to help you out also. Okay, so you can do that on info products that you purchase. Number 3, you could do this on software. Okay. Let me see, like any type of software that you downloaded, maybe it's an app that you downloaded or purchased, you liked a lot, maybe you made money from it, you got a lot of great results from it, maybe it's a camera, maybe it's editing software or what have you. You could do reviews on that and generate leads, okay? The next thing, let's do, it says number 4, review books. I've done this plenty of times. Read books that I've read. The last one I did it's called With Your Hair on Fire or something. I forget what it was like that. I can't even think. I apologize. But I did a review on that book, on something that I took from that book, and I referred back to the book and the author, how I liked that book, and, got some leads and generated quite a bit of traffic from that, okay? The next thing, magazines and articles, that's number 5. We're not going to get into that. I've never done much of that. Number 6, review and critique other videos in your niche. Okay. You like, maybe, one of your leaders or somebody in your company, some, or just someone else, they came up with some great content, just do a review on it, whatever they done, really cool stuff, You could do one on this if you like. All right. Okay. Number 7, you could do a review on websites in your niche. Okay. Number 8, you could create a video about things you learned from a book like I just shared. You could do that. I love doing those right there. Okay. Number 9, you could create a video based on things you learned from a magazine or wherever you learned something from. Okay. It could be trainings. You could do something from this, okay? Or what have you, okay? And now where are we at? Number 9? Is it number 9? Okay. Number 10, you could make a video of your favorite niche related to quotes. Okay, so you guys take that as it is. But let me just share this with you guys. Let me share this with you. Like I said, I'm going to give you access to this same thing. But here's the thing. There aren't 10. There are not 10. I shared with you 10. There are 101 video creation ideas. I'm not going through all that. I'm just taking a little bit that I just shared with you right here and wanted to give you a little tidbit of it. So if you want more of where this come from, you want all 101, guys, download that link. You're going to get 2 things from that. You're going to get the access to the entire video from Mark Harbert and the PDF. Crazy, guys. Go ahead and do that. And here's the greater thing about this, man. You're going to be able to generate targeted traffic, generate leads. It doesn't matter what niche you are in. It doesn't matter what products or services that you have. You'll be able to generate targeted traffic of people that's already interested in what it is that you have to offer. You will attract them. So real quick, before you go ahead and click that link, let me share with you what I am doing with these videos. I'm going to do it with this video also. So one of the things that I do that I'm getting great results from is I take these very videos. One, I upload it to YouTube and I syndicate it. I do all the monetize it, do everything that I need to do, to be able to, where people can find it. And then I take a piece of that video, I edit it down to, 58 seconds so I can fit it into YouTube. But I mean, not in YouTube, but on Instagram. But with Instagram, you only have, that little bit of time frame. So you can't get all the information that you can share that you shared in your video that you're going to share on YouTube or share on Facebook or what have you, wherever else, LinkedIn and so forth. So what I do is I focus more on, video. Okay, a little bit of that video, but I focus more on article. I throw some article text down there and great tags that are, around what it is that I'm talking about. And I drive people to my bio. I have them click the link up in my bio. But first things first, they always watch the little short video, and I make it very interesting. Guys, check out my Instagram page. You can see what I'm doing. I have a lot of clips over there, you know, and they're all YouTube videos. I have like a little editing software called Video Leap that I use, and I just get real, you know, cool with it and just do little things. I have a lot of fun with it. I throw explosions and I do all kinds of crazy things, you know. So check it out, guys. I hope this is very helpful for you. So click that link down below. Get access to the full training by Mark Harbert, 101 video creation ideas to help you with your content to drive targeted traffic. And I will see you guys on the inside. Make it a wonderful day. Peace.